In this video, I will tell you a method that can make you 50 bucks per hour directly into your PayPal or bank, and I guarantee you, if you didn't make $50 per hour after 14 days of trying, let me an email, deliver me an email with all the proofs, and I will pay you $50, and I guarantee you this will work. So, requirements. First of all, before going into details, I will tell you that this method is only for people who are educated, or they are having any college degree, or they are good in English. So I have a math site for you that doesn't require any degree, but in the end you will be competing with people who are college degree holders. So you guys right, this method is online teaching that is very hot in demand and in demand these days, and very trending. So first of all, step number one is you will be registering your application, and through this, after completing process successfully, step two will be you will be pitching and bidding on students who have offers. They can student can be varying from any age, and you will be getting classes according to your flexibility and schedule. So guys, I am on this website, and you can see there is very much this website is called VIP Kid. It is for students, small kids from China, and who want to learn English, and there is a lot of potential in this website. You can work as a part-time or full-time job, and it's not like 1 or 2 days trying. It's a full-time working job for you, that you can do from comfort of your home, and your own schedule and your own working hours. So you can see you can earn up to $14 to $22 per hour, and that is very much beneficial. And something I want to tell you, that there is three process. First is your registration for the hiring process, VIP Kit registration. Then second is your quiz and demo, that can be a recorded video, mock video, recorded video for you. I will tell you in ahead in this video how to record good mock video. And then after hiring, you can get paid for every 25-minute class you took. And for getting more classes, you need positive reviews from parents. And for making mock class, you should talk like you are talking to a kid. Then you should talk slowly, friendly, and you should make person hooked to your video. And another website for today's video is outschool.com, and this is also a very good website for earning by tutoring of kids of all ages. You can see there is $13 per hour, and $12 per hour, or per class. That can be any amount of time. And these all are teachers, and they're offering in different subjects like instrument. I will tell you how to play instrument, and science experiment. So this website is a bit different from VIP Kid, and you can see there are a lot of categories in this. And here are its teachers. The most good side of old school is you don't need any degree to show them, and their hiring process is also not much tough than VIP Kid. But for VIP Kid, you teach only English, no other subject. So if you like today's video, please subscribe to my channel. And one thing I want to tell you is, these two websites are working website. If you have the qualification, then I will suggest you do try. Do try if you are in US, in UK, in Canada, anywhere else as a side hustle. Do try this because it is working method. Many teachers, many educated persons are getting paid from it, because because of corona pandemic, there is a lot of demand in this teaching field, and you can get benefit from it. As first of all, you can make it as a trial. Other things you can do is, for example, you can post on Fiverr, you can post on Twitter.com, you can try on many other platforms beside these, so you can maximize your results if you are going into tutoring. Because this is also a very good a source of income, because it's better than doing nothing or sitting and frustrating and depression. So I hope this video helps. Please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.